Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're doing an in-depth analysis of Meta stock, combining recent news with an analysis of the charts across multiple timeframes. Recent news indicates a generally bullish sentiment towards Meta, with analysts projecting a strong buy rating and a 12-month average price target of around 636.5. However, the recent price action shows a slightly bearish trend. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to examine the recent price movement in more detail. Here we can more closely examine recent support and resistance levels. Notice the consolidation patterns in the last few days. Here we can see a series of higher lows, suggesting a potential bullish reversal. However, the volume needs to be considered. If the volume decreases during the higher highs and higher lows, it would increase the probability of a false signal. However, increasing volume indicates strong conviction and a greater likelihood of continuation. Now let's zoom in on the last 24 hours to examine the intraday price action more closely. Notice the short-term support and resistance within this shorter time frame. The 15-minute chart shows very short-term volatility and intraday price fluctuations. It's clear this time frame shows significant short-term fluctuation that doesn't translate to the longer-term trends. Switching back to the daily chart, we observe a longer-term trend. We need to keep in mind that the daily chart displays longer-term trends, whereas the shorter timeframes show the volatility and intraday price action. Considering all timeframes, we can see the volatility is greater on shorter timeframes than on the longer timeframes. Looking at the overall picture, the recent price action appears to be consolidating near the 600 level. This area could act as both support and resistance in the coming days. If Meta breaks above the resistance level of 600 with strong volume, a move towards the 636.5 target is possible. However, if volume decreases during upward movement, this would signal a bearish reversal. Conversely, a break below 590 with increasing volume would confirm a bearish outlook, potentially leading to lower price levels. However, if volume increases during upward movement, this would confirm the likelihood of continuation. Short-term, the price action remains uncertain, with potential for both upward and downward movement. Traders should watch the volume closely, as this will be key to determining the direction of the price action. In summary, key price levels to watch are 600 as resistance and 590 as support. A bullish breakout above 600 with increasing volume is very likely to propel the price upwards, reaching the predicted 636.5 level. On the other hand, a bearish breakout below 590 with increasing volume could lead to lower prices. Upcoming events or news related to Meta, such as earnings reports, product launches, or broader market trends, could significantly impact price levels and trading activity. Therefore, continuing to follow news and economic factors will be essential for accurate predictions.